anniversary. Okay, let's see the view. Welcome, David. Oh my God, I got my name on the TV. Whoa, we gotta pull this up. Let's see. Whoa, it's raining over there. Look at that. Hey guys.
Oh, the water's over there, guys.
See, we're close. It's walking distance. Here goes the boats. That's that long key. The one over there, the island, that's that long key. Whatever, longboat. Yes. Can't see Magic Kingdom.
What floor was the pool?
Because we're in Sarasota. Alright, you come in through here. And then right away to your right, here's the rest of the bathroom. Sink. Nice. Mirrors. I know that my girls will be using that to do their makeup. Towels. Nice. The shower. It's pretty nice. I like the tiles. It has like a little wave to it. Hanging towels. Pretty nice. Yep. It's like a sliding door. Nice. Then as you come out, there you have the table, chairs. It's got a sink, coffee. What are you doing in the morning? Cups, coffee maker. Has a microwave and a little fridge. Standard fridge. And here's the bedroom. 2 queen beds. Nice. You have a window there, you have a TV. And then the closet. It's pretty cool, you can put your phone in here. Wallet. And it comes with a safe. There's an iron. Question, is there ironing board? Nope. Nope. No ironing board. You have drawers. If you want to take your clothes and put it in the drawer. Put your suitcase up here. Another sliding door. Right there. Then, here's the view. They didn't have the other side available. If you go this way, that's where the beach is at. Everyone going in circles here. We're on the 11th floor. Not bad. Let's check out the living room. The living room. TV. More drawers. Like it. We're gonna explore the hotel. I left my wallet, you got it? Just kidding.
Why'd you do it like that?
Good job.
You don't go like this.
Where's mommy going? You lost? You know you could go in a circle? Yeah, you can go in a circle. Go, do it.
No, let's have it get back into ready. I'm going in the elevator.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Oh yeah. Bar area. Oh, it look like there's a pool up there, on top of the roof up there in the Westin Hotel.
That's not where the pool is.
Yeah. Oh, there's the bike area, look. The bike rental.
The bikes we get?
I believe so. No, they have some downstairs at the lobby. I was thinking maybe we could go that way. Down this area. We could go close to the water side. Cool. Super hot out here. They're enjoying it. Oh my god, it's so pretty.
Walk around outside there?
Yeah, we could do that.
Oh my goodness, I literally searched it up and like.
Guys, talk to the vlog.
Yeah,
Hey vlog, we are here in Sarasota Beach, as my father said. Why do I look blue? I don't know. Look at this nice view that we have today. Not that one. Around here, as you can see. Okay, that's where the view stops.
Back up.
And
Big back.
and we are just here and we are
On the
chilling.
boofs.
Look at this area. I don't know if my dad showed you, but it's very, very nice.
Look at code there.
And I don't know what we're gonna be doing.
Show the code.
I don't know.
The thing is up.
Look at those people over there.
Okay, you go.
Look it up there, guys.
Okay, guys, look at it.
I don't know if you guys saw it because I can't see the screen, but we are currently going to no, we're not. We're just
A little stroll.
We're going for a walk by like towards the beach because we are
By the
next. We are right next to the beach and we are right next to the island, the Siesta Key Island.
Where the gym?
And this is the gym. Oh, hold on.
Thank you, buddy. You're welcome. It's gonna get busy.
Right here.
Let's get a quick look.
Let's just show you real quick.
I got your clothes on, I'll watch it.
And there is a nice view.
Right? These are workout shorts right here. Hey, let me work on these games.
What games is he talking about, guys? What is it doing? 1, 2, 3, 4. You gotta lower this guy. This one doesn't know what it's doing. Yeah. I can see myself in the mirror, guys.
I originally wanted something like this that I had already had the things. There was something else that
I need something like this.
She's still going.
they just use all the.
Yeah, right. Alright, guys, we'll see you guys later, guys. When we're out of here.
Here's the lobby. There's some nice sofas here. You go check in on the right side over there. There's people there, so I'm not gonna record.